Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel, and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Are you worried that your car is not giving as mileage as it used to give before? Or your car has gone for servicing and the mileage has come down? There are many reasons why your mileage goes down. Number one is driving skills. The second is how do you maintain your car. There are 4 reasons why your mileage goes down in your car. Number one, your wheel alignment is not perfect. If the wheel alignment is perfect, there's less traction with the tires and you get very good mileage. And if the wheel alignment is perfect and you give it to servicing, please instruct the service person not to touch the wheel alignment again. Second point, there are 3 pistons or 4 piston or 6 cylinder engine cars available. It has 4 pistons and it has 4 rings on the top. This piston has a right combustion. With right combustion, it gives you right mileage. The fuel is burnt and you get right mileage. If the piston rings, because of the action, the piston rings worn off, then the mileage goes down. The indication is in your exhaust you find white smoke or black smoke coming in. That means you need to replace your piston rings. Next to the air filter in your car, you find oxygen sensor, which is not cleaned regularly. It has to be cleaned regularly. So when it is cleaned regularly, it helps you get exact amount of oxygen required by the car through ECU, and a right amount of fuel is burnt and right amount of mileage comes. Fourth, your decarbonization of your engine has to happen, because there are a lot of fuel impurities in the fuel which generate carbon. If you decarbonize every 40,000 kilometers your car, you will get very good mileage. These are the measures and precautions to be taken in your car to get good mileage. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.